Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures. We saw the third consecutive day of a lower high and a lower low. Despite that, the bulls closed very strongly on Friday afternoon, and we're basically flat into the Globex session. So nobody's really pushed it. What I'll be looking for today is whether or not the bears can create another lower low, which is going to be a big ask because they would have to go ahead and trade down to 88 from 2003. What I'm more inclined to see today, what I think is more likely, is that we see a break above, or at least to test 2011. And at that point, we'll see if the bulls really can make a new high in this market and make a fresh run at the upper band, which is sitting there about 2027. As I mentioned last week, the middle band now is rising rapidly to meet price. It's shed all of this older stuff, and it's trading up at 1984.66. So we're really pretty much equidistant between the middle band and the upper band. So I kind of come in today really with kind of a no edge kind of a thing. I still have some longs on. I'm going to let those work, and they're in a free ride stop, so I'm not going to lose any money. And if they want to break above and move higher, I'll certainly ride that. And it's not a situation where if we do break above higher, I'm going to be aggressively shorting, trying to fade it back down. But trading in between these bands, I hate the term no edge, but you really got to see what comes on a Monday morning. You've got to see what this week is going to bring. You've got to be patient today. You've got to be patient. A lot of times, trading is about not trading or about being patient or waiting for your setup. So we'll have to see what the setup is today. If you're looking to put a short on, then you would be looking for, a test of those highs or another lower high versus 207.75. If they put in a fourth consecutive lower high, if they can't get above 207.75, the best they've done today is 206.75. Then you've got your risk there. If you want to take a little bit more risk, you can risk it above the all-time highs and see if it can trade back down to test that 88 area. If you're a long, you want to see what happens in the regular session. You want to look for that that traditional morning dip that has been there, and you want to come in and buy that with a stop underneath and see if it can take it up above 2007.75 and 2011. So again, it's a day to be patient. It's a day to be patient. It's a day to sit back and figure out who wants it more, the bulls or the bears. Okay, take care. Come check out the website, Princetontrader.com. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.